Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new service which I added on my website freemediatools.com. So this is a service, so it converts the website URLs to HTML hyperlinks. So basically inside your HTML you have an anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag you specify the URL. So this process I will do automatically for you. This is a tool that I made here, and all the source code regarding this tool is given in the video description, and a live demo is also given in the video description. You can go to this URL freemediatools.com slash convert links to HTML hyperlinks, and here you will write your URLs. Let's suppose freemediatools.com, zapac.com, google.com, facebook.com. So you have a list of URLs that you want to convert to HTML hyperlinks, and then there are some options here that you can select here. We have an attribute inside this anchor tag which is target attribute. You can select the value here. Spacing you can also select, default is new lines, and also you can format your anchor tag as well. So if I click convert to HTML links, you will see at the bottom screen it has generated these 4 anchor tags automatically for you, and each anchor tag has its own href attribute which is associated with the value that you provide here. Free Media Tools, you can see Zapac, Google, Facebook. So this is a good tool that will help you boost your speed of writing HTML code. You need not have to manually replace values when you make anchor tags. So you can just come to this tool, copy paste the URLs that you want to make the HTML hyperlinks, and this tool will automatically do the process for you. And let's suppose I write some more URLs. Facebook.com. Let me just take 100 URLs example. Let me just type here something, file converter online. So let me download this. URLs options here is coming here. Let me just download this and show to you all organic URLs. And if I download this as a CSV file, you will see. Let me just show you. So inside the CSV file we will got 100 URLs. So basically this is an example where I am showing you how to use this tool. So if you right click this file, edit with Notepad++, you will see it will give you 100 URLs, unique URLs. Now you can see that I can simply copy this. So there are lots of URLs available. So now you can just go to this tool, paste these URLs. You can see there it is there inside HTTPS format, so it is supported. All the formats are supported here. So basically these are valid URLs, and now if you click convert to HTML links, it will automatically do this process for you. It will add this anchor tag, you will see href attribute, and now you can place this HTML code on your website. So that basically this will create this. You can just copy to clipboard. So just click this button, it will automatically do the copying process for you. And now you can just make, let's suppose this is my index.html file, and inside the body, let me just replace here, let me delete this code. So inside this body we will copy paste these tags here. You can see that this is a bunch of HTML which is generated by the tool. So now if I open this with live server, so you will see these are a bunch of anchor tags which are there. So it is opening here. You can see that, you can see, you can open link in new tab. You can see the hyperlinks are working here, you can see. So in this way you can just create it, and the nice thing about is that it automatically created this for you. So you can see that, and there are some options that you can apply. If you want, instead of a new line you want spaces, you can just select this checkbox, and again convert to HTML links. You will see it will have a space here after the HTML links. If you want commas, you can select commas here. Now it will put a comma here, you can see that. And also each href attribute has a target attribute, you will see. So you can set this target to blank window. So if you click the link, it will open this inside new window. So you will see if you click this, it will add this dynamic target attribute automatically to each URL automatically for you. So you need not have to manually do this. And same goes with self also. So you can just select accordingly to you. You can see. And now comes the funny part. This link formatting, you can also do this process manually, but if you do manually, this will take a lot of time. So if you want to embed your links inside paragraph, you can also do this. You can see it has embedded your links inside a paragraph and it has a break tag. So now if you copy paste this inside this, let me just delete this and paste it here, and now you will see now it has wrapped all these links inside a paragraph tag. And now if you show you, you can see after each links there is a break tag also. So I think this is a good formatting available. You can see, so the links are perfectly aligned with each other, and there are also a div formatting also. You can surround your anchor elements with the div tag. A bulleted list is also supported. You can see unordered list. So this is a most useful case. If you just copy this, and let me just show you. So basically this is an unordered list. So you will see this adds a bulleted line here. So basically if you want to make a menu or a list, you can just use this tool also. And the last is numbered list. So if you want 1 2 3 instead of unordered list, you can just use ordered list. And if I just show you, if I paste it, you will see now it will change to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in this nice way, it has formatted your HTML hyperlinks. So if you just want to convert your website URLs to HTML hyperlinks, you can just use this tool, which is given in the video description. I have shown you the demo that how to use this tool, and for all the source code regarding this tool, how I made this, a link is there inside my blog. So you can go to my step-by-step blog where I have given all the source code. A simple index.html file is there, a single. So you just need to copy this, copy to clipboard button, and just copy all the source code, and you can also make this tool. So download button is also there if you want to download this. This is my GitHub repository. You will see you can just also click the code button and download it as a zip file. So this was a tool that I wanted to share. So please like the video, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.